Hello everyone, this is Monica from Kiew CI branch pursuing BTech. So I am here to give my TTL on BTech subject Unit 3. In this TTL, I am going to explain about the energy sources, electricity bill and the equipment safety measures. Firstly, energy sources. Energy sources are the things from which energy can be extracted and can be converted into electrical energy or any other form of energy. The sources of energy are of two types, that is conventional energy sources and non-conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources are those which cannot be renewed and takes a long period of time. For example, coal, petrol, natural gas. These produce pollution and takes more time to be produced. Non-conventional sources. Non-conventional sources of energy are which can be explained as the energy sources which can be produced fastly and also they are the cleanest sources of energy. For example, solar power, wind power. These do not cause any type of pollution and can be made easily. This is a solar power plant. In a solar power plant, the solar energy is being converted into electrical energy through taking place through a series of processes. Firstly, the sun rays are directed onto the solar panel. It is also called as solar panel, solar array or solar modules. The sun rays are being generated into the inverter and the inverter takes them to the generation meter. The generation meter then passes it to the consumer unit and the consumer unit divides it into two parts, that is the electric meter and also the AC power. In the electric meter, the energy is being converted into electrical energy and it is being generated into the main supply for electrical uses. In a solar power plant, the energy can only be used only if there is solar light, and also it cannot be accessed during night times because solar energy is only available during the daytimes. Also on cloudy days, solar energy cannot be accessed. Next, the second topic is electricity bill. Electricity bill can be defined as the amount of money charged on the consumer for the amount of units consumed. In the bill, we calculate 1 kilowatt hour as 1 unit. For example, in a household to calculate a sample bill, we take a refrigerator uses 250 kilowatt hour per hour units for 10 hours and a geyser uses 100 kilowatt hour per hour for 2 hours and an electric iron 50 kilowatt hour for 1 hour. So, let's calculate the total bill for 30 days. For 30 days, a refrigerator uses 250 kilowatt hour per day. Per day it uses 10 hours for 30 days. Therefore, the total energy used is 75,000 watt per hour. And in the next one, the geyser uses 100 kilowatt hour per hour in 2 hours for 30 days, which means 6,000 watt hour. And in the third one, the electric iron uses 15 kilowatt hours for 1 hour in 30 days. For calculating the total bill, we need to convert it. We need to add the A, B and C, which gives 7,500 plus 6,000 plus 1,500. It is giving 15,000 watt hours. But to calculate the bill we need to convert this into kilowatt per hour. Therefore, 15,000 watt hour by 100, which gives 150 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 unit. Therefore, 150 kilowatt hour is equals to 150 units. The amount charged for 1 unit is 2.4 rupees. Therefore, the total amount charged is so the total amount is 320 rupees. This is how the bill needs to be calculated. And the next topic is safety earthing. Earthing is of 3 types: rod earthing, and plain earthing. In rod earthing, a rod is connected to the electrical appliance into the ground and it is going into the ground. And in the plate earthing, in an electrical appliance, plate earthing is used by when a wire is converted to the electrical appliance and then the wire is connected to a plate buried in the ground which is covered with a mixture of copper, salt and iron. Earthing is generally used to prevent electric shock from people. Also, lastly, I am going to explain about the safety precautions to be taken. The first precaution is 3-pin plug sockets are to be used than 2-pin plug sockets. Also, we need not use hand to poke into the sockets to avoid electric shock. And the third one, fuses. By the use of fuses, we can reduce short circuits which can result in the death of people. And MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. A miniature circuit breaker is used when a large amount of circuit is being processed into the appliance and immediately it breaks the circuit. Also, compared to fuse and MCB, MCB is more reliable as it is less in cost and also more useful. Thank you.